For small business owners, managing finances efficiently can be a daunting task, especially when working within a tight budget. The right accounting software can streamline bookkeeping, invoicing, and expense tracking, allowing entrepreneurs to focus more on growing their ventures. Fortunately, there are several high-quality accounting software options available for free that can meet the distinct needs of small businesses. In this video, we will review the top 5 free accounting software for small businesses, highlighting their key features and benefits to help business owners make informed decisions. Make sure to check the links in the description below to try these tools for free. Without further ado, here are the best free accounting software right now. Number 5. Akaunting. Akaunting is a free, open-source accounting software designed for small businesses and freelancers. It offers flexibility and control over financial management without incurring costs, making it a practical choice for small-scale operations. Akaunting supports multiple languages, attracting users from various regions globally. This inclusive feature helps businesses operate more efficiently in their native languages. Being cloud-based, Akaunting allows users to access financial data from anywhere with an internet connection. This feature is particularly beneficial for remote workers and traveling entrepreneurs. The software's interface is user-friendly, simplifying invoicing and expense tracking processes. Users can create and send professional invoices directly from the platform. Akaunting enables detailed tracking of income and expenses, providing clear insights into financial health. This capability assists in making informed business decisions. Security is another key advantage. Akaunting ensures that sensitive financial data is protected through robust security measures. The software is continually updated by a community of developers and volunteers. This ongoing support ensures Akaunting remains relevant and up-to-date with evolving business needs. Number 4. Wave. Wave offers a robust suite of accounting tools designed specifically for small businesses, helping them manage their finances efficiently and accurately. Wave's standout feature is its entirely free accounting software, making it an attractive choice for businesses on a budget. Users can handle various financial tasks without incurring any costs, ensuring that essential accounting tools are accessible to everyone. Wave's double-entry accounting system is reliable and trusted. This system helps maintain balance sheets, income statements, and other necessary financial reports. It simplifies the bookkeeping process, providing consistency and clarity in financial management. In addition to basic bookkeeping, Wave offers invoicing capabilities. Business owners can create and send professional invoices online, streamlining the billing process and helping maintain timely payments. This feature helps users manage their cash flow efficiently. For businesses needing payroll functionalities, Wave provides an add-on service. This payroll feature integrates seamlessly into Wave's existing system, allowing businesses to handle employee payments with ease. It simplifies payroll management, including tax filing and direct deposits. Wave also supports online payment processing. Businesses can accept credit card payments directly from their invoices, which expedites the payment cycle and improves liquidity. This payment processing feature integrates well with the invoicing tool, ensuring smooth financial operations. Security is a priority with Wave. The platform uses advanced encryption protocols to ensure that financial data is protected. This commitment to security gives users peace of mind when handling sensitive financial information. Number 3. GnuCash. GnuCash stands out as a robust, open-source accounting software ideal for small businesses. It offers powerful and flexible tools that help track bank accounts, stocks, income, and expenses. Accessible across multiple platforms including Linux, BSD, Solaris, Mac OS X, and Microsoft Windows, GnuCash is a versatile option for many users. Its double-entry accounting system helps ensure accuracy in financial records. This system is well regarded for minimizing errors by requiring every transaction to be entered as both a debit and a credit. GnuCash is particularly beneficial for those familiar with professional accounting practices. It integrates seamlessly with tools necessary for complex accounting needs while remaining user-friendly. This balance makes it attractive for both beginners and experienced accountants. One key strength of GnuCash is its detailed reports and graphs. These tools allow users to gain insights into their financial status and trends over time. This is essential for making informed, strategic decisions based on current and historical data. GnuCash also supports various currencies, which is particularly useful for businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers. This capability allows for smooth and accurate financial management across different markets. The software's flexibility is evident in its ability to be tailored to various types of small businesses. Whether you're a freelancer, a small retail store owner, or a nonprofit organization, GnuCash can be configured to meet your unique accounting needs. Number 2. ZipBooks. ZipBooks offers a robust, free accounting solution tailored for small businesses. It aims to simplify bookkeeping through automation and intelligent design. User-friendly features make ZipBooks accessible even for those without an accounting background. Its clean interface minimizes the learning curve. Integration capabilities also extend ZipBooks' functionality. It can work seamlessly with various third-party applications, improving the workflow for small business owners. One standout feature is ZipBooks auto-categorization. This uses machine learning to classify transactions, saving users time and reducing the chances of errors. Another key element of ZipBooks is its invoicing system. Clients are 15.8% more likely to repurchase when invoices include a logo, adding a professional touch. ZipBooks further enhances productivity through dead-simple reports. Users can easily generate financial statements and insights without getting bogged down in complex accounting jargon. Cloud-based, ZipBooks ensures data accessibility from anywhere, making it ideal for business owners on the go. Security measures are also robust, providing peace of mind. Free account users benefit from these essential features without any cost. This makes ZipBooks a valuable tool for entrepreneurs looking to manage their finances efficiently. Number 1. Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a powerful free accounting software tailored for small businesses. Zoho Books stands out with its comprehensive invoicing capabilities. Users can easily create, send, and track invoices, which is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow. In addition to invoicing, Zoho Books offers robust expense tracking. Business owners can record expenses, categorize them, and even upload receipts. This feature is essential for keeping finances organized. The software also includes bank reconciliation. Users can import bank statements and match transactions effortlessly, helping to ensure the accuracy of financial records. Zoho Books supports project management functionalities. Small businesses can manage project finances by tracking time and billing clients accordingly. This also aids in assessing project profitability. Multi-currency support is another strength of Zoho Books. It allows small businesses to conduct international transactions with ease, converting currencies based on current exchange rates. Automation is a key aspect of Zoho Books. Recurring transactions, such as invoices and expenses, can be automated, saving time and reducing the risk of manual errors. Zoho Books is accessible on multiple devices. The mobile app ensures that users can manage their accounting tasks on the go, making it an ideal choice for busy entrepreneurs. In conclusion, selecting the best free accounting software can significantly impact small businesses. Each software solution offers unique features tailored to different financial needs. Analyzing the specific needs and revenue size of your business helps in choosing the most suitable free accounting software, ensuring efficient financial management. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.